Hey guys, so today I'm reviewing the Emax Tinyhawk 2. I've been flying this drone for about a month, and for $200, it's a great flying tiny whoop. The flight times are about 1 to 2 minutes depending on how you fly, and since Emax gives you one 1S and one 2S, I'd recommend getting some extras. The props are tough but fly off the drone when you crash. Emax gives you 4 extras, but after only a month I've had to order more. The drone does have good range. I can fly about 150 feet in any direction before I start to lose video too bad. The camera on the drone is a Runcam Nano 2. So far I've had good experience with it and the video is clear. One problem I've ran into is the camera mount screws falling out, but as long as you check them every once in a while, it'll be fine. The controller is smooth and precise, and the grip on the joysticks is great if your hands get sweaty. The controller has 2 switches on the top to control the different modes and to arm the drone. The goggle is a standard box goggle that stays comfortable even after a long day of flying due to the padding around the eyes. The battery for the goggles is a 3.7 volt LiPo that hooks to the back of the goggle straps and plugs into the goggles. The charger is a good compact USB charger that charges the batteries in about 30 to 40 minutes. Overall, it's a super tough drone. I've crashed a lot while learning FPV. I even crashed into a snow shovel full of water, and it still flies like it's brand new.